What if everybody knew what you were thinking? I think a lot of us would be arrested. Luckily, we don't know what each other is thinking, but we can hear what people are saying. And oftentimes what people are saying is not really clear because they won't really want to tell us what they're thinking. And that leads to ambiguity. Most doctors aren't clear in communicating with their patients. They may just say what they want the patient to hear, but they won't be talking about the things that are under the surface. That leads to a lack of trust, and then that leads to an increase in stress. And when the stress increases, the relationship starts to break down. Now in my practice, I'm there to help the patients. So if a patient is upset about something, I go, is there a problem? And sometimes they have a hard time having that conversation because they're going to have to reveal something about themselves. Brene Brown talks about the power of being vulnerable because it takes courage to be vulnerable. The more vulnerable I am, the more clear I am. And the more easier it is to have a relationship with someone who's being vulnerable and being open and honest. We talk about that all the time in our practice.